Good morning to all of the students. Today we will continue chapter 3, 3.35. We will construct chemical formula of compounds. To be specific, how you want to construct chemical formula of ionic compounds. Okay, before you learn how to write the chemical formula for ionic compound, you need to know what is the ionic compound. Okay, ionic compound is built or formed from positively charged ion, which we call cation. Okay, and negatively charged ion, which we call anion. Okay, this is the formula of cation and anion that you need to know. Okay, later I will teach you how you can remember this formula easily. Okay, we go to example number 1. Okay, let's say you are given a name of an ionic compound, which is sodium chloride. Okay, so you know inside sodium chloride compound, we have sodium ion, okay, which is the cation, and for the anion is chloride ion. Okay, from here, you need to determine the formula, sodium ion. The formula is Na plus. Okay. While chloride ion, the formula is Cl negative. Okay. From here, you need to determine the number of ion of each cation and anion exists in this compound. Okay. How you want to determine the number of ion? Okay. So you look at the formula Na plus. Okay. Plus mean 1. Okay, so you put number 1 under the chloride ion. Okay, then you look at the chloride ion, negative. So you put number 1 under the sodium ion. Okay, this is the ratio of sodium ion to chloride ion. One sodium ion must combine with one chloride ion to form sodium chloride. Okay, next we check for the charge. Okay, for positive charge, which is sodium ion. Okay, as we can see, the number of ion for sodium is 1. Okay, then times by the charge, positive 1. So you get positive 1, you get the charge is 1. Okay, for negative charge, the number of ion is 1. Okay, the charge is negative 1. So total we get negative 1. Okay, total charge, you must plus positive charge with negative charge, so you will get the total charge is 0. Okay, from there, we can determine the formula. Okay, the formula is NaCl. Okay, we don't need to write down number 1, we just write down NaCl. Okay, we go to example number 2, zinc oxide. Okay, the cation for zinc oxide is zinc ion, while the anion is oxide ion. Okay, write down the formula, Zn2 plus. Okay, for oxide ion is O2 negative. Then, we determine the number of ion from the charge. Okay, zinc ion, Zn2 plus. Okay, 2 plus. So, mean you need to put 2 under oxide ion. Then, we look for oxide ion. The charge is also 2 negative. Okay, so you put number 2 under zinc ion. Okay, as you can see, the ratio is 2:2. Okay, we can simplify the ratio. Okay, to 1:1. Okay, from here, we know that the number of ion of zinc ion inside the zinc oxide compound is 1, while the number of oxide ion is also 1. Okay, check for the positive charge. Okay, 1 here, we get here 1. Time with the positive charge, positive 2 equal to 2. Okay, then we check for the negative charge. Okay, The number of ion is 1. The charge is negative 2. So we get negative 2. Okay. Positive charge plus negative charge. We will get 0. The total charge of the ionic compound. Okay. So from there we can write the formula as ZnO. We go to example 3. Okay. The ionic compound given is sodium oxide. Okay, cation is sodium ion, while anion is oxide ion. Okay, formula Ne plus for sodium ion, O2 negative for oxide ion. The number of ion. Like before, we determine from the number of charge, 1. So you put 1 under oxide ion. Okay, for oxide ion, 2. So you put 2 under sodium ion. Okay. Can this be simplified? Okay, the answer is no, because the ratio is 2 to 1. So we check again. For the charge, okay, positive charge, 2. 2 is the number of ion here. Okay, times by positive 1. Okay, the charge of sodium ion. Okay, so we get total for positive charge is 2. Then for negative charge, 1. Number of ion is 1. Okay, from here. Okay, then times with negative 2 here, the charge. Okay, so you get total negative 2. Okay, so for total charge of the compound is 2 plus negative 2. So we get 0. Therefore, the formula is Ne2. You write down small 2 here, subscript Ne2O. Okay, this is for sodium oxide. Okay, last example. Magnesium nitrate. Okay, cation is magnesium ion. Anion is nitrate ion. Formula for magnesium ion is Mg2+, while formula for anion is NO3 negative. 3 is the subscript. This charge is superscript. Okay, we determine the number of ion from the number of charge. 2. Magnesium is 2. So you put 2 only under nitrate ion. Okay, then for nitrate ion, negative. So you put 1 under the magnesium ion. This is the ratio of magnesium to nitrate. 1 magnesium ion combined with 2 nitrate ion to form magnesium nitrate compound. We check for the charge. Okay, like before, we check the charge. Okay, positive charge, 1 nitrate, 1 magnesium ion times with the charge, positive 2, so we get 2. Then 2 here, 2 nitrate ion times with the charge is negative 1, so we get negative 2. So total charge for the magnesium nitrate compound is 0. We get the formula MgNO3 bracket. Okay, why we put bracket here? Okay, because we have NO3. For nitrate, we have nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, so this ion contain 2 elements, 2 atoms. Okay, the ratio 2 is for the nitrate and oxygen. That's why we bracket the NO3. Okay, that's. How about sodium sulfate or magnesium chloride and aluminum sulfate? Can you find it? Formula? So I want you to write down this exercise in the exercise book. Okay, you copy this question and then you try to determine the formula of the following ionic compound. We have E to I. So you write down the answer. Later you snap the picture of your answer. Then you send to me through the Telegram. If you have any problem, you can message me through the Telegram group. Okay, that's all for today. Till we meet again next week. Thank you.